Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the renowned Valdichiana area. We are between Arezzo and Siena. It is in this idyllic setting that I'm going to walk you through a splendid restored hamlet with its Leopoldina villa dating back from the Middle Ages. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The location is excellent. We are literally in the middle of nature with total privacy and silence. At the same time, we are literally 5-minute drive to the closest town with the main services and just 20 kilometers to Montepulciano, 25 to Arezzo and 30 to Siena. Florence is just 1 hour and 20 minutes drive from the property. This ancient estate dates back to the 1760s. It was originally owned by the renowned Gagnoni family. They were very famous in the area, and this was their summer retreat. The main residence for the rest of the year was Palazzo Gagnoni in Montepulciano. The Leopoldina I will show you in a minute is the casa padronale, and that's where the Gagnoni family used to live in the summer days. While the rest of the property is the hamlet, divided into different sections. In the past, it was used and lived year-round by farmers. They used to take care of the estate and also have animals in these spaces. The property is immersed at the center of its 17 hectares of outdoor space, made up of olive groves, beautiful gardens, arable land, and forest. Throughout the hamlet, we also find beautiful paths embellished with aromatic plants and colorful flowers. The property offers 2 independent swimming pools. The first one is by the large hamlet with the apartment. It is elegant and rounded, surrounded by a stone-paved area. It has a saltwater filtration system and an outdoor shower. While on this side, it is positioned on a beautiful landscape spot with gazebos outdoor to enjoy some shade in the summer days. On the upper part of the estate, in a reserved location with total privacy, but at the same time close by to the hamlet, we find the Leopoldina. This is a very traditional style type of villa in the Valdichiana area and is characterized by this squared shape with a beautiful tower. It is surrounded over there by olive grove and by this lawned garden. On this side is a flat space where one can play soccer or outdoor games, while over here there is the swimming pool area, beautifully positioned in a private spot close by to the outdoor loggia of the property. The Leopoldina is laid onto 2 levels. On the ground level we have all of the living spaces with the kitchen and the living areas, while upstairs we find the bedrooms and the tower. They are around 450 square meters in internal spaces, with a total of 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. The property is in a Tuscan style, but more contemporary compared to the hamlet. The property is made up of several apartments. On the hamlet side, we have 11 in total, split into different buildings. On the building you see right behind me, there are 2 units, one on the lower level, which is a single large room with beautiful arches, with 1 bedroom, a bathroom, living area and kitchen, while the rest of the building is made up of a second, much larger apartment that I will show you right now. Welcome inside the first apartment. We are on the lower ground level with direct access onto the garden. As you can see, the property is totally restored with traditional features like the terracotta floors and the wooden beams. On this side we find the kitchen. Right next to it, before the staircase, there is a bathroom serving the common areas. And with the stairs we go up to the 3 bedrooms with 1 bathroom connected onto the external level on that side. By the entrance of the property, we find this beautiful farmhouse, which is on a separate building. It is made up of a single large apartment. It has lots of natural light with lots of openings on the sides. We have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a beautiful large living area with kitchen. Next, in the center, we find the biggest block. They are 8 apartments, each one with 1 to 2 independent accesses, and the bedrooms vary from 1 up to 3. Let me show you a few. Welcome inside one of the apartments. This is full of natural light. We have an access on that side and one over there on the other side of the farmhouse. As you enter, you straight away find a beautiful vaulted ceiling with exposed tiles. They are made out of terracotta. Same on the floor. And from the sitting area over here, we pass onto the dining space with the kitchen all over that side. Upstairs, we find 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a separate independent access to access the upper floor. Right next, with its beautiful outdoor space, we find a second apartment. This is smaller but just as cozy. It has 1 bedroom on this side and 1 bathroom, while at the entrance we find this spacious living area with dining, sitting and the kitchen all over that side. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you liked this estate. It is settled on a beautiful location with stunning views all around. It is ideal for somebody that would like a main residence where to live and enjoy the summer days, together with an accommodation side, making this a true investment. Please let me know in the comment section below if you like the property, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!